first and foremost, I would like to thank High Times and everybody that works there and to get out all of this information, and Adam for leading and letting us all have this platform. And I thank you all for everything that you're doing, because we are a community about giving. And like, if you guys seen on the airwaves lately, like I'll go on and watch the news, and then 5 minutes later I got to get off of it, and I'm like, all right, so yeah, let me get that sage out, because I can't even take what they're doing on the news now. So we're just gonna do a little sage here, because I want to be the only person on the airways. So we're gonna sage, we're gonna sage the world, and that's what we do as hippies in Hippie Town. We're saging everyone, and we're gonna talk about. We're gonna say a little thing before we bring on Dee, the happy chef. You want to know why? Because I want the person cooking my food to be happy. And there's no one better than I would want to cook my food than Dee. So if you're out there, Dee, we'd love to get you on. We're going to learn how to do some street corn. We're going to learn how to dose our own food. And we're saging ourselves, because mind, body, and soul, harmony and balance. We ask for everybody out there, for anybody's higher power, to come in, and we ask for this virus to go away, and for all of us to calm our minds, to be able to smoke at ease, and just be able to blaze with our friends again. And I can't wait for the happy chef to come on. Street corn. Have you guys ever cooked some street corn, or have you ever been at the you know, you go to Disney? We got Dee. Woo! Chef Dee.
It's loading.
She is loading up in here. Happy chef is up in here.
We're taking it to the streets.
We're taking it to the streets, yo.
What's happening, happy people? Coming to you live from Las Vegas.
How are you?
I am doing great. I'm doing great. You know, it's like the way I see it, guys, is when the world hands you lemonades, or wait, I already messed that up. When the world hands you lemons, you make lemonade, right, guys? So everybody make some lemonade, open up that lemonade stand, learn a new skill. I'm ready to teach you one right now.
Hey, Dee, introduce yourself to everybody and tell everybody where you are.
Oh, okay. My name is Dee, Edible Dee, also known as Chef Dee. I'm also known as the Happy Chef. I am, hold up. I'm the author of the Happy Chef Cannabis Cookbook. This is the expert edition, but some of you may be familiar with the edition that I published with, that's right, Be Real of Cypress Hill, the Dr. Green Thumb. That was back in 2014. I've been doing this a minute. We've been doing this a minute.
You've been doing this a minute, and you've been not only just like learning the science, you got your own show, you're doing your own cooking, you're making your own books. Like, where's all this?
I partnered with a cannabis research company here at their headquarters in Las Vegas back in 2016.
Nice.
And I designed their production kitchen here, again in Las Vegas. And I mainly work as a consultant, where, you know, and with the whole world going green, like it is, you know, I've been to Argentina, Colombia, Puerto Rico. I love Puerto Rico. That's probably one of my favorite places on the planet. And,
I'm going there right now. Let's do it.
And I was going to go there too, put on a bathing suit, get in my bathtub, and, you know, just pretend that I'm in the beach and the water there. Just, you know, just pretend.
Well, listen, you've done some amazing things in your life. And one of the things that I love is you just keep feeding us this amazing food. And I know that you wanted to make this today about what you can do at home, right?
Yeah, okay. So while all of us were stuck in quarantine, my mother always said, we're doing leftover makeovers tonight.
Yes.
So, you know, like, what's in your fridge kind of deal. It's like, you know, I kind of love it because it forces me to get more creative with flavors, and also forces me to get more creative with cannabis flavors, because, like, you know, terpenes, also infamous terpenes. So today, the leftover makeover that I'm doing is I'm doing a remix of some street corn, which Mexican street corn, many of you guys might be familiar with it. They usually do it on the cob. It's usually charred and like grilled on the grill, and then like has some paprika, some cotija, grated cheese, and cilantro. It's very delicious. Now, I'm missing a few of the ingredients, but I'm gonna make do. So we're gonna do we're gonna combine forces since we are all in this together.
Yes.
I'm gonna add in a little bit of everybody. So right now I'm sauteing some onions.
Nice.
And I'm going to add in some fungi because, make sure you all eat your mushrooms, people.
So now, Dee, I'm going to give you...
They're extra happy.
So, Dee, we're going to give you the platform now, and you're going to take it away with all your cooking.
All right. I already started. See, I was hungry. I don't know. Hold up. So I'm going to add some fungi in there. Now, the awesome thing about fungi and what I'm infusing today is I infused some olive oil with a half a gram. I did 10 fluid ounces of CBD, also infused with linalool. So I did a half a gram and 10 fluid ounces just to give you, I'll break down the math for you guys. If you want all the formulas for it, I'll post it on my Instagram at edibled.com for you, as well as I have extraction methods on my website and also on my YouTube for all my how-to videos, my Patreon. If you guys want to get real in depth in the weed science, we can definitely do a little bit of that.
Can we see some of the sauteing too, Dee? Like, can we get up in your grill?
Oh, hold up. You want to get all up in my grill? Why you all in my grill?
Yes, we want to see what you're doing.
All right, can y'all see it now?
Yes.
Okay. Now you can sort of see a little bit more of the dish. There we
go.
All right. So I got some fungi in there. Now again, like this is my infused CBD linalool oil, and this is like linalool is 76th percentile. And linalool is one of the terpenoids that are found in cannabis. And I like to call her the overachiever of terpenes because she's in so many plants in the world. Like she's in over 200 species of fungi. I don't know if you guys knew that. But many people, yeah. So terpenes, like what would I tell you guys if actually eating healthier makes you higher?
Yes, I
mean, like, and I can break that down for you real quick. I know we've all like, hold on, okay, so I've sauteed some fungi, I've broken them down, got the onions going. So I cooked some corn. I had 4 ears of corn here. I cooked those the other day. So we're going to go ahead and add this in here. Yes. So we're going to get that all cooking up. And I'll post this recipe for you guys on my Instagram too. This is the leftover makeover of the Happy Chef.
Yes, we are so happy.
All right. So when you think about linalool and terpenes, I know many of you guys like see that meme that goes around or heard that rumor, like, oh, eating a mango and smoking weed makes you like intensifies your high. And you know, in my professional opinion, that'd be correct. Because what you did is you just doubled your dose. You know, over 60% of a mango has myrcene in it, which is another compound terpenoid that is found in cannabis. And it's also found in like a large quantity of cannabis, like over 40% of strains have myrcene in it. Another great terpene that was actually falsely identified back in 2008 as a cannabinoid is beta-caryophyllene. Now, she's my favorite.
Yes!
I call her a full-figured gal because she's a sesquiterpene terpene, not like your monoterpenes of the linalool and the myrcene and those. So that's the main reason why she was falsely identified as cannabinoids, because she was in everything. There are small traces of beta-caryophyllene in all strains of cannabis. And I mean, and then since I am what I eat, or you are what you eat, I like to say that I'm my highest self. And speaking of that, beta-caryophyllene and linalool, they're both found in the mint family. So the mint family, you're talking basil, rosemary, cilantro. Like, I mean, I don't know about y'all, but I use cilantro all the time. As a matter of fact, it's going in the dish today. It's going in the dish.
So tell us, like, we're gonna put back in. Oh my gosh, wait, let's see
a little bit of that.
That's
all right, so
good
this is
stuff.
gonna be called around the world street corn because, like I said, I don't have a cotija cheese, which is a grated cheese that is normally in Mexican street corn. But however, cotija cheese is known as the Parmesan of Mexico. So I do have Parmesan. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Parmesan in there. So we got a little Italy, we got some corn, we got some onions, we got the fungi, the extra fungi, you know. Yes. And then I don't have, like, they usually put a little bit of mayonnaise in this. I don't have any mayonnaise, but I do have some hummus. So I'm going to put some hummus in this.
Yes! Hummus.
So we're going to get a little bit of the Mediterranean peoples in here, right? Because we all in this together, guys. We're all in this together. And like I said, leftover makeovers, get creative. What's in your fridge? What's in your fridge? I can tell a lot about a person when I look at their fridge.
What's in your fridge?
What's in your fridge? Oh, we should see what's in my fridge. All right, all right. So what I'm gonna do after you finish like sauteing the corns and the fungi and the onions, we're gonna put these in a nice little mixing bowl here. Hold the phone. Let's get it all in here. All right, all right, all right.
I'm like hungry.
Man, girl, when we were talking to Dr. Tina, I was sitting here started cooking. I had to stop for a minute because I was getting hungry and I was going to finish the dish before you got me on.
Well, thank God we tuned in now.
All right, all right. So we already sauteed, we already heated up. So now that it's nice and hot, we're going to add some more ingredients. So first thing I want to add is my infused olive oil that I have here. As I told you, I infused 10 fluid ounces of a half a gram of CBD isolate, and that was 99.9% potency. So in 10 fluid ounces, per 1 fluid ounce is 2 tablespoons, right? So I'm going to add in about 3 tablespoons of this infused olive oil right here, just to get it nice and yeah, okay. That's going to be cute. It's going to be cute. So that puts it about 75 milligrams for this entire batch, right? And it also has 4 mLs of linalool, which I wish you guys could smell this over the phone because it is heavenly. It really is. Linalool is one of my favorite terps. All right, so now we got this baby infused. All right, let's get this nice little mix. We're going to pre-mix this before we mix it again. All right. So we'll see all that. Yeah. Look how cute that is, guys. Oof.
You can't see it.
Oh, you can't? Oh, you can't see it?
There you go. Get up in there. Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Give
gosh,
me
it
fork,
smells
Michelle.
so good. That linalool kind of acts like when you like infuse olive oil with rosemary. It just has that nice like aroma and just like hint, almost like cilantro, which is again one of my cilantro salads. They're one of my favorites. So we're gonna add some hummus. I have some Sabra roasted red pepper hummus. So I'm gonna put that in here, a little bit of that. It's gonna be 2 tablespoons of that, right? And we're gonna mix that. Yeah, all right. Oof. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, there we go. Now I'm getting the angle of this. Now I'm getting.
Yes, there we go. That's what we're talking about. Us stoners need to get all up in your dish.
All up in my dish. All right. So now, all right. So then I'm gonna put about 3 ounces or so of cotija cheese, or if you Parmesan is our substitute of today. So we're gonna do some Parmigiano. Okay. Ooh, yes. Oh, I need to get the other side. That's just not doing it for me. Yeah. All right. Now we're cooking.
Yes. I'm so happy watching you cook.
All right. So oof.
Well, lift it up a little bit. There we go.
There we go.
That's it. That's what we want to see. Oh.
Nice and cheesy. Ooh, shoot. Shoot, guys. All right. And then, that's right. I've been talking about this herb for a minute. Let's go ahead and throw all that in. Oh, the more cilantro, the better, if you ask me. So we're going to get, and also cooking with colors, that just makes everything just so much.
Lift it up.
Beautiful that is.
There you
Look
go.
how beautiful. Get all the colors in there.
It's so yummy. I'm starving.
Add some green. Always green makes everything better. So I'm going to put a little bit of lemon pepper and put some paprika in here just to get it nice. Also in black pepper, there's beta-caryophyllene, it's terpenoid, and then this is lemon pepper, so it has some lemon zest in here, which also has limonene in it. So let's go ahead and throw a little bit of that. Get some of that paprika in there too. Oh gosh, guys, this is looking and smelling so good. Oh wait, let's just do a little squeeze of the lime. Ooh yeah. All right. Let's do 2. Let's do 2. It's always better to double it up. Yeah, all right. So,
yeah,
I'm getting the hang of this, lifting it up so y'all can see. Oh, look. Oh, gosh, I wish you guys could smell it through the phone. Oof. Look at that. Oh. And, bam, there we go. You have it.
Yum.
So we're all in this together.
Thank you so much. Honestly, I'm getting off of this feed and I'm definitely going straight to the kitchen. Honestly, where can everybody find you, Dee?
You guys can find me at Edible D on everything. YouTube, Instagram, my Patreon. I do how-to cooking. I actually also work with you one-on-one. So if you guys need help with your infusions and like balancing out the potencies, even extraction methods, growing your own mushrooms, cannabis, etc., follow me on all those and check out my YouTube videos at Edible D on everything.
You are a boss. You are a disruptor. We appreciate you. I'm going to save your dosing with CBD because I'm going to save that for next week. I'd like to bring you back on because I couldn't take off of what you're doing with this food.
It's so good.
Oh, I want to eat it. Like, I'm secretly jealous. So we appreciate you. We'd love to have you back on, Chef D. Happy D, I love you to death. What would you like to say to the stoner community through this quarantine?
And guys, like, make lemonade. You know, like, none of us can do anything right now. The world just gave us a bunch of lemons. Keep positive, learn new skills, everything that you didn't have time to do. That's what I've been doing. Like, I was so busy, I didn't have time to do so much. And like, it's been so great. And I feel so grateful to be able to have that time. So learn some new skills, be with your loved ones and your family, and make that fucking lemonade.
Yes, love you. Everybody out there, stay cool. Let's tell everybody goodbye. Happy 420, everyone.
Shout out to High Times and the Skinny Queen.
Whatever.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.